What's up, YouTube? So I decided, since I made a good little profit off of the last Pro Pack opening, I'm gonna do yet another 250k opening of Pro Packs. Again, that's a total of about 33 packs. No, it's not about 33. It is 33. So yeah, I want to open 33 of them. And then yeah, it was a really nice one. I had 5 elites on the last one. And then I sold, what was the name? Glover, for 160. So I ended up getting about 144 on that one. And let's just get right into it. Another Pro Pack. Alright. So let's see if we could beat, don't want to jinx it, but as many or more elites than the last one. Nope. No elites. I have not got a rookie card in any of the Pro Packs, so that'd be cool. Actually, not got a rookie card at all, but it would be nice. Offensive guard, gold. Those are probably going to sell pretty good, given the like I've said in the last videos, the position collectibles. So far, not that great. Hopefully towards the end it'll get better because, the last time it was the beginning that gave me a lot. Yeah. Let's see. And then also on the last one I had quite a few that helped out my road to the playoff sets and my captain sets. So that was good. And then again too, I used all the bronze and all the silvers, and I upgraded them to silver and golds, just so it would be more efficient and have more golds. And then yeah, right now I have probably the most gold I've ever had in a pack. I mean, on my bench. I don't know if I'm going to sell them or not, or save them for like future positions. Maybe I'll give some away. Another offensive guard right there. So that's 2 offensive guards, 2 gold offensive guards. And then a gold safety right there. Again, all those are the position players for this week, which is the offensive guard and the safety. Well, 2 gold on that one. That was decent. Let's see. Another gold safety. Gold cornerback. Scoot this over a little bit. Gold wide receiver. I don't know why it's lagging a bit right now. Wide receiver. Come on, at least give me one elite or something. I mean, we're still quite a ways to finishing. We still have about 130 coins worth to finish. Another gold safety, major right. I think I might even need that one. I'm not sure. But let's see. So we are a good ways in and still no elites or collectible elites. Yeah, hopefully all the luck didn't go into my last opening. Gwen Demps as a silver. Not that great right now. I just got this card. That's like the last pack when I got the Fletcher Elites. Opened a pack, got one. Then the next pack, same card. Oops, I was gonna click it all. Gold halfback. So we're about 80 to 83,000 coins away from finishing up, and no elites yet. I have a bunch of those. Man, I'm starting to think maybe I should have waited another day to open these packs. Another gold safety. Five cards in a pack. 33 of them. Dang, I opened a lot of cards today. Ooh. There's an elite. There's an elite there for you. Josh Sitton, 88. Alright, one elite. I don't know how much that goes for. I mean, considering that the Josh Sitton, he's one of the collectibles. Okay, an elite collectible, Mike Ditka. I mean, the collectibles aren't that great, but, you know, seeing the color red on these cards, you know, knowing that they're elite or collectibles is, you know, pretty awesome. Alright, looks like that could be it. Oh, Johnny Manziel. We are about 30, a little less than 30 coins away, so that's about 3 or 4. Alright, road to the playoff player. And this is my last pack opening. My last pack. So let's hope for an elite. Hope for something good. Let's see. Reggie Wainwright, receiver. And that's it. Alright. So not that good. But, you know. I got a few. What did I get? One elite out of it. A few collectibles. Let's see. Yeah, I just got Josh Sitton. And then, let's see, these are the golds I got. These are the golds I got from the past openings. Here, how about this? As another giveaway, let's see. You know what? No, I want to say that for later. So, any of the cards here pretty much are going to be up for grabs for a contest. But What's he doing over here? A gold 72? See all the silvers now. Again, remember, don't forget, trade these in. Trade your bronze and your silver in for some silver and gold. Then trade, do all the bronze first, and then you have a bunch of silver. Then cash those in for some gold players. I have a lot of players. After all the pro pack openings, you get a bunch. Yeah, that's it. There's another 250k pro pack opening, knowing pretty much the my consistency of getting coins. I'll probably do one of these. Did 3 today. Probably do. I usually have more time on the weekends, so I'll probably do maybe 3 a week, 3 or 4 a week. Yeah. So thanks again for watching, and